Aray ko, ito na! You got something to give, I want it.
Huwag na, kayo na lang magsama.
Uy, chat mo sa last. Ay, wala na.
Paano miss? Kawa naman si Catherine, ano, nang walang...
Okay po. So, ganito po ang mangyayari. Ano po, pupunta po kayo sa retreat house, hindi po kayo mamaman.
Dapat yung mga sarang doon. Ano ba ito?
See you Tagaytay.
Wow, sure Tagaytay.
Ano, tara?
Ano? Uy! Ano? Nagpahit ako. Sa wakas. Hindi ko mas malakas na yung half-life. Ulit yan!
Huwag ka talayo!
Friends, sa mga kami alam.
Alam mo ba, girl?
Ulit kami picturean.
Picture ba?
Video talaga yun. Ba't tayo nakapost picture?
Wala akong pake.
Alam mo ba, girl?
Pagka wala ka dito, promise ako concern. Di ka nagre-reply, di mo pa ako ma-confirm. Ayaw mo ba sa'kin porque wala akong scores?
Ano diba? Nakakalikot mo yun.
Ano kasi? Bugalmok na lang gusto ko. Bugalmok na lang gusto ko.
Si Eman talaga. Si Eman lagi basta salamin eh.
Nagalit na kasi. Nag-iwag na.
Baka may galing ko yun. Huwag kang babalik na ba?
Eh, bakit naman dili ba isa pa isa pa?
Nakit mo!
Hawi putok! Hindi kasi nalaman ng damit.
Nilaghan to ni Catherine.
Hindi mo sure.
Hindi yun, nasa locker lang yun.
Oo nga ako dyan. Ang
Napakawala.
Ulitin mo yun. Yung gusto ko pati.
Parang kang kape.
Pwede ba Five-star hotel din.
5-star hotel eh. 5-star chicken na yun. 5-star chicken. Big. Taba nung mukha ko.
Medyo. Anong tawag sa coffee shop na nagsosorry sa atin?
Ah, ano daw? Sorry, T.
Mali.
Ay, no.
Serenity.
Abot na ng likod ang joke.
Let's go! Ay, no, namin! Overtake! Overtake!
Tama na.
Focus, don't follow me, but focus just holler me. I keep focus, don't follow me, but focus just holler me. I keep focus, don't follow me, but focus just holler me.
Look at the sky.
Parang di mo pa ako kilala eh.
I wish that I could stay here for life. I wish that I could stay here. Baby, look at the sky. Shining bright tonight. I wish that I could stay here for life. I wish that I could stay here.
Ain't enough downs on the clock. Got me looking down at my watch. Wish I could buy time back
I
right
wish that I
now.
could stay here.
Ain't enough downs on the clock. Got me looking down at my watch. Wish I could buy time back. Ain't enough downs on the clock. Got me looking down.
Tilapia din na. Tilapia stop.
Yan na ba yung aquarium date?
Ay ba, ikaw lang gusto ko chin.
Sa ni Chloe is dadod mo.
Ano yung lapit?
Wait lang, nawawala kita.
Watch. Wish I could buy time back right now. Ain't enough downs on the clock. Got me looking down at my watch.
Ay, nakikisali, hindi na friend.
It's so hard to say goodbye to think about it.
Wala na po.
And want the day to end. Ducking paparazzi, my Mercedes Benz 5%.
Race for info.
Behind the 10. Gotta speed and drive to be on time. Your flight arrive at 10. Boys don't cry, but boy, that girl's from boys to men. Birdie told me girls don't cry unless it's over me. Gone with the wind. If I'm gone, going in. Gone road, we on 10. Get a towel, throw it in. Fuck you, won't fuck your friend. Fuck sleep, let's fuck again. Fuck you to sleep.
Meron ka pa may clean cluster, ba't di mo
You
sinabi?
alone, we have phone sex. FaceTime, we undressed. I'm too strong to be role playing. Shoot the club, we could co-parent. Tell them how.
Zigzag, ano, Dara?
I wish that I could stay. I wish that I could stay. Baby, look at the I wish that I could stay for life. I wish that I could stay.
Ain't enough downs on the clock.
Kaya dahil galing Mary Hill Catholic School, tapos sa maririnig nating mga galing sa mga pare na dito ay may ingay, magugulo, hindi disiplinado. Lalagyan na lang ni Miss Kiara ng okay, kung sino yung mag-handle, mag-iingat ng susi. Na kung
Bakit ba sa?
huwag naman sana mangyari, pero kung napatapat sa inyo na naputol yung susi at kayo ang naka-okay doon, mag-usap na lang kayo ng inyong kaparto.
Para tayo nasa Hollywood eh. Full story.
Hollywood.
Ay, dito po. Bilis naman eh.
Diyan ba ka?
Ah, dito ba? Medyo wait lang.
Wala, di pa ako nag-aayos.
Ay, dito nga yun.
Pwede ba kumain?
Dito nagpicture si na Freya. Halang kapal ng labi ko. Sige, okay.
Tagaytay.
Ay, nabigay mo na yung lipstick.
Where are we? Meh. Saan ako pupunta?
Para po madaling Gok na rin naman ang halos to.
Watch. Wish I could buy time back right now. Ain't enough downs on the clock. Got me looking down at my watch. Wish I could buy time back.
I wish that I could stay. Last call, but I'm at least like 2 in. Been waiting since you flew in. Been thinking and pursuing. I see life through a new lens. It's shaking, that shit moving. Been thinking you should move in. Let's mate and have a few kids. Why the fuck not? Truth is, I just got struck by Cupid. Let's make this shit exclusive. She wear it if the shoe fit. I lost her, I would lose it. She hop up on it, do tricks. I twist it like a Rubik's. No pillow talk, no loose lips. Why the fuck not? Just like I've been looking for you all year long. Have you been looking for me as well? Am I on something or am I wrong? You won't believe.
Katulad lang naman tayo ng mga playlist. Ano lang ko talaga ang kanta ko sa inyo. 8 years lang. Ilan pa na kayo ngayon? 18 na lang. 17, 18.
21 miss.
8, 9. Bago pa nila.
Wala yung transition mo boy. DJ O3 eh.
Looking down at my watch. Wish I could buy time back right now. Ain't up downs on